Hello everyone, friends. On the Today channel, I will show you how to install Realtek audio driver on Windows 11 or 10. Go to any browser. Right here, Realtek. Go to the website. Click here on the three strips download. So what downloads do we need here? ICS computer. Here and here we will need an audio codec PC here, which is called the OCL ALC 888 CD. So we press the software and accordingly download it to our Windows. That's it. That's what I'll choose, 64 bits. So let's download. Pass the CAPTCHA. Loading has begun. We wait for it to download. Since this is our Realtek site, it will download for quite a long time, but nevertheless, after the download is complete, just open this file. You will open an installation wizard, which accordingly you will just click next on all the questions and restart your computer without fail. That's it. Next, you will need to go to the device manager and just scan here. Click on the action on the file, or rather, yes, wait. Yes, and scan for changes, respectively, in the drivers. That's what you'll get it after. I've been with you so far.